Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I would like to show you something about tags on Datacake and how you can use them. This demonstration workspace has 10 devices, and as you can see here, if you don't see the tags, you can enable them here. You can see the tags in here, and you can also sort based on tags. So you see there are 10 devices, and they're having tags like group A and group B. So editing tags is very simple. You select one of your devices, go into the configuration page, and then here in the general configuration, you can see there's this text here. Okay, there's group A now set, and we can just bring this into another tag, press enter, or like group number B and something like climate, whatever. Then you press on save. This is now being saved on the device. And if we go back into the devices, we can see, okay, sender number one also has this additional tags. You can use those tags and additional things here on Datacake. We want to extend the support for widgets and so on. One of the most popular features for tags is the reports. Like in here, let's go to create a new report, call this test report. We simply go ahead, press on create report. And then when you scroll down a little bit, you can filter the device names. You can either put in a string or you can select one of the tags that are available in your workspaces. So we can just select like the climate tag that we just applied to the first device. And then we can see, okay, I've just found one device. But we could also select another like group A. But now it turns that it has found only one device because we want to have or just show devices that have both tags enabled. So we can also switch it to any tag, and then we can see, okay, 5 devices in here. Or if we just want to have group A and group number B, then it has 10 devices in here. That's how you can use tags on Datacake. Super simple to go into one of these devices, press on configuration, then enable these tags in here. You can also see them here in the metadata overview and on the dashboard or on the device fleet list. That's it. That's how you can use tags on Datacake. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.